Hello, welcome back to the channel. Hotel I recently stayed at here is the Golden Donaire beach here in La Pineda on the Costa Dorada in Spain. So we're going to do a hotel tour, quickly show you around the outside, and then we'll head on inside. So as you can see, it is right on the beach. That is the pool area just up by there. Even if you're not staying here, you can come and have food. So there's the prices. And there's the restaurant area. It's got outside and inside seating. We're actually staying up by there on the third floor. Or we have been staying up by there on the third floor. Outside bar area. And round to the entrance to the hotel. Reception area. This is all the reception area. And the restaurant is in there, not open at the moment. Breakfast started in about 15 minutes. And this is where the bar pool area is, and indoor pool. If I remember rightly, it is through this way. They do live entertainment every evening. So this is the bar area, and you can order food over there. Let's go and check out the indoor pool. Not sure if it's open yet, but we'll have a look. No, it's not open yet, but that is the indoor pool. And there is a sauna over there. Couple of games machines. And let's go outside. There we go, swimming area, sunbathing area, plenty of chairs, some beds. So that is my little tour of the Golden Donaire Beach here in La Pineda. So keep an eye out for the room tour video as well. And as usual, thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you already haven't.